Are you even treat?
Take your Patsy out so I can understand you. What else is in there? Oh. Uh-oh. What else?
Oh, I'm tough. Open it.
Well, let's see what else is in there. I think Mickey Mouse brought that from Disney World.
Mickey Mouse here.
Those are tattoos.
Mickey Mouse tattoos.
What else?
A cookie. That's a cookie. Open it. Open it, Mimi, Mama. Open it.
I will in a minute. What else is in there?
A cookie.
Oh, it's a bunny.
What?
What else?
What? Oh.
What's that?
It's a...
Bubbles? Oh, hold on. We got to take the other stuff out first. Oh, look at this.
I don't know.
It's a movie. Here's a... Oh, there we go. What's that? Oh.
What's this? What's that?
What is it?
Dad.
That's who?
Dad. To what? What's that in there?
Those are candies.
To my...
Look.
To my gym. Oh, Mama.
What else is in there?
Look at that. Look at that. I like that.
You do?
I like that. Open it.
We will in a minute. Well, who's that book? Look at the bucket. What kind of bucket did the Easter Bunny leave you? Look at it. Look. Oh, you think that's to find buried treasure?
Right.
What are those? Cheese balls.
Open them. You open them. Right now.
Right now? Don't you boss me.
Not the boss of me.
You're not the boss of me.
Get them out.
You want cheese balls? Do you like what the Easter Bunny brought?
Get up.
You better thank the Easter Bunny.
Oh, shit.
Oh! It's a ball.
On the toy.
Okay, but no, Daddy get that for you.
It's right outside.
Look.